Well, welcome back, everyone. Today we kind of got a special treat for you. The wife and I, we actually went up to north central Oklahoma to a friend of ours who is in the process of harvesting his wheat, and he's a little bit more modern than our farm. He actually has a combine. He has two combines, and we got welcome to come up there and run on one of them to kind of help with his wheat harvest. Unfortunately, it got cut a little short because of the rain and a couple of just minor malfunctions and breakdowns that were resolved fairly quickly. But nonetheless, we got enough footage to be able to put a video together and be able to share it with you. So without any further ado, let's roll into it. First and foremost, I want to give a huge thank you to Jake and his family for letting us come up and enjoy some of their wheat harvest. You know, that was an experience that was really, really cool, and something I haven't got to really be a part of or be around since I was a little kid with my grandpa. You know, that was probably the last time I was in a combine, so I was probably 4, 5 years old, maybe not even that old if I can remember right. It's been so long ago, but you know, that was really my first time ever running a combine. You know, this is, from all the equipment that we're used to, this is about 50 years newer than what we're used to. So it's a really neat transition of knowing the binder, which you saw last week. Here in the next couple of weeks, we're going to try to thrash our wheat that we bound and shocked in last week's video. Hopefully we'll be getting that done here in the next couple of weeks, and we'll get that video out as soon as we can. But nonetheless, this was a really fun day. Really excited we got to do that. So, as always, I'd like to thank you all for watching. God bless each and every one of you, and we'll see you all in the next one.